Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel TechUp. In today's video, we will learn on how to report an issue on Google Maps. It's an easy and simple process. All you gotta do is watch this video till the end without skipping. So let's get started. First, open Google Maps on your browser. Then, at the very bottom right of the screen, right below the Street View icon, there's a text that says Send Product Feedback. Click on it. Then on the left side of the screen, you will see this menu pop up. Tap on the last option, that is your opinions about maps. Then on the right side of the screen, there will be two options. Report an issue, suggest an idea. For now, we are trying to report an issue, so tap on report an issue. Now you need to choose an option on what were you doing when you noticed the issue. Now select the appropriate option. If you can't find the appropriate option here, simply click on other. Now here you need to describe the issue, so go ahead and type the issue that you faced. When that's done, you can check this box to get informed from email. And now to report an issue, simply tap on this next button. And guys, that was it. This is how you report an issue on Google Maps. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel TechUp for more contents like this. Feel free to drop any of your queries or questions in the comment section below. I will be happy to help. Thanks for watching and see you in next video.